morning, I'm Chip.
Good morning, I'm Steve.
And I'm Wayne.
And this is
Chip's Garage.
Another one of my favorites, Steve. A 1969 Nova SS.
Yes.
Beautiful. And Wayne, you've got this, how long ago? About a year ago,
About
right?
a year ago, yes.
Yeah,
correct.
yeah. Tell us the story, where you got it, how that all happened.
Well, anyways, talked to the wife, and it's time to get a car.
Okay.
So we had to do a lot of shopping around. We found us up in Vermont, bought it, had it shipped down here. Well, unfortunately, pictures are a lot better than anything else because it didn't run too well. So we did a lot of work to it. We got it running very, very decent, very good. It's a heck of a driver. It really is.
Yeah.
But it's taken a little while to get there.
Sure. Yeah, and a little money.
And a little money.
Yeah,
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 absolutely.
Well,
Absolutely.
you can tell the viewers
Let's sort of walk
what
over
was
this
it?
way, Steve.
What was this car originally?
Well, this was a 69 Nova SS. It was a 396, 375 horse.
Oh, man.
And that motor went up in smoke.
Yeah. 4-speed was original 4-speed?
4-speed.
It was original
Okay.
4-speed.
An original 12-bolt rear end.
Original 12-bolt.
Okay.
Yeah,
correct.
yeah.
Yes.
It's a post car, which we really love post cars. They were a lot stronger for racing, a post, than a hardtop. All right. What kind of wheels? American Racing?
American Racing.
I love the stance.
It's beautiful. Yeah, you know, it's 70s, right? In the BF Goodrich
Screamed at you.
Radial TAs. Yeah. It's also got the Cal-Tracs. You can look up under here for your suspension. And around the back here, we'll look.
Now, you run Cal-Tracs in your race car.
And
you're a fan of them, huh?
Absolutely. Yeah. I run the full Cal-Trac setup with the leaf springs and everything. But if we look under here, we can see the 12-bolt Chevy rear end. And you can see he's got stock suspension other than the Cal-Trac setup.
The oval exhaust. I love this.
Yeah.
They sound good coming out of it. Chevelles had it and Novas had it.
Yeah.
Really nice. And this car is just so beautiful, clean.
It's super clean, and this is the original color.
The original color, correct.
Right.
Okay.
And I love the Novas. They made them simple but mean, right? Like, look how simple this rear is, and it's got a bunch of style too, but it's just so clean and mean looking.
Yeah. Now, Australian cars their cars look like Novas, don't they?
Yes.
They
do.
are they? They're not Novas.
No, they're not. I don't really know the name. I've seen them.
Yeah.
Where it's enough where you think it's an over,
Yeah.
but you got to
but
do
it
a double
isn't. You have
take.
to double check.
Yeah,
It's
exactly.
probably a Holden. Is it by Holden? Maybe?
I have no idea.
Yeah.
To be
Well,
honest
let's see about the viewers. Let's ask the viewers.
Yeah. If anybody knows about the Australian model, let's open the trunk, take a look at the trunk, and then we'll walk around. I know it's a
You know
nice
what this all stood for, didn't you?
Oh, yeah, no-go. In Spanish, Nova means no-go.
No, you know what it is? Really? Nova, Apollo, Ventura, Omega.
What's that stand
That's
for?
all the body styles of the, what's it, B body or A body? What's it say?
I would think it's an A body,
but the body this was made from. That's all the bodies like Pontiac and
really? It's
Buick
new. I didn't know.
Yeah, and Chevy. Yeah.
Okay.
I just know.
I just read that somewhere.
I just know in Spanish it means no-go.
That's why they didn't sell them.
Anyway, look at the trunk, how nice it is, and how it's set up. And he's got all the original stickers up in here. And again, do you know what owner you are in this car?
I'm going to say the third, possibly the fourth.
Yeah.
That's not bad.
Okay. And, here's a spare tire course under here. You can see there's actually a lot of room. What, 4 or 5 bodies?
Yeah, maybe 6
something
minutes stuff back there, smaller one. But you know what I go, and I tell everybody, I begin, my cousin wants to buy a car. He wants me to go with Mika because he knows I love cars. But I used to have a shop. But I looked at here and this. I look at this.
Absolutely.
But I look at this. I went, wow. I started looking at this. Look at this back here. Look at this here and look under here. This was very well done.
Yes.
Look at this. The stickers. We always talk about the stickers and all that and everything here. I mean, I go like this. I look around, nothing. And all of it splattered nice. It's gorgeous.
Gas down here behind the license plate, which again was very common for back then in '69.
And these just shut.
Yeah, it should shut pretty easy. Look at that. Oh, jeez.
Look at that. You don't have to sit there and slam it. Nothing. No.
And you got the side markers, which in '69 these light up, right?
Yep. 68 they started.
Yeah.
No, 68 was the new body style.
Yeah, 68 was the new body style.
Yeah, so they brought this to 74.
Yes.
They
yes,
had the
yep,
big bumpers in 73 and
right,
74.
exactly.
Right.
And these were really economy cars.
Yep.
Being an SS, it was a muscle car, but it was a very much economy muscle car.
Well,
but look at
Inexpensive muscle car.
Yeah. Well, in '69, that's when they put the first big block in from the factory.
Oh, 69. Okay.
69.
Okay.
But in '68, Motion put a 427 in them,
Yeah.
Oh, man.
which I just saw one the other day.
Oh.
Those are big bucks.
Oh yeah, exactly.
Anyway, being an economy car, look at the chrome and stainless on this car, even the trim, and they did some. The vent windows.
I love 'em.
You got your air conditioner, right? You got the antenna, which extends up,
Right.
and even this, just little things like this. It's not functional at all, but it gives it a nice little look, which leads us up to your front
Side marker
side
lights.
markers. And of course, he's got 454 here, and he'll tell us about that. And we'll show in the morning. That's what he replaced
big
the
secret.
396 with. And you remember what these were called? They're not the Ice Cube. The Ice Cube were the ones with
Not cheese grater.
I'm lost on
Okay,
that.
viewers-
I don't know.
viewers help us, but a nice look. For
know.
as simple as it is, it just adds a nice,
You know,
mean look.
I've had my Camaro for 42 years. I should know it. These are almost the same as my Camaro, just about the same. This here, the same. This here, the same. This looks so much just like my Camaro. They had a lot of similarities. So I'll have to look at that. I forgot. I know what it is. I just forgot.
Viewers can help us with
Yes,
that too.
yes.
Again, look at the front. Very simple,
Look
but
at that.
very mean looking. I mean, that looks mean coming down the road, right?
Right.
I love it. I
Well,
love
these
this.
are pretty much what 12 and a half second cars with the big blocks.
No,
Maybe 13?
I
I would
probably
probably go with 13.
yeah,
13,
low,
okay.
low to
Okay,
mid
13,
13,
okay.
somewhere in there. And it depends on the car.
It
obviously,
depends on the
yeah.
wheel and the car. And all
That was
yeah.
Baldwin motion, right? You were talking
Yeah.
about
Yes,
Baldwin
correct.
motion.
Yes.
And
That's
those
correct.
427s, those were probably, I don't know,
11.
at least 12-second
Oh,
cars,
12,
maybe
Yeah, well,
11.
running
Yeah.
aluminum heads.
Yeah.
That was in Long Island, Baldwin.
Yeah. So let's
yeah,
open the
let's-
hood.
let's
Let's
look at
take
that
a look
hood.
at
Let's
what
look
we
under
got,
there.
the real deal under here.
Is there a reason why you have that license plate on there?
Well, it originally was known Little Devil
Okay.
in Vermont, and we kind of kept the theme going.
Cool.
So
Yeah,
what the heck?
yeah. Now the paint looks beautiful
Yeah.
on this. So is there any story behind that?
No, it's when the gentleman had the car prior. The fenders came off, so
Nice.
they
Yeah.
can paint everything. He spent a lot of money on it.
Yeah.
I can see it.
I wish you could see it now because it runs very, very good, very strong,
Yeah.
and dependable.
Yeah, I mean the bodywork and the paint on this looks
This is
really
straight.
good. Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
So go ahead and point out a few things. You got a big block 454.
Yeah, I got a big block 454. A lot of things have been chromed up, for show, obviously. But one of the things here that they wanted to do was keep the hood. So
Okay.
we got a new breather on it because if I use a regular oval air filter,
round filter,
right,
It would hit.
it would hit.
Yeah.
You have to
Now,
change
did
the
you
hood.
have this custom made? Because I noticed it's welded here and they're turn downs, or no? Was
Nope,
you-
nope.
Okay.
Actually, you can buy them.
Okay,
Okay.
just
Everything
like
is
that.
Beautiful.
Waterable.
Fits
Yeah.
beautiful.
So, like anything else with the clamps here, you can angle them which way you want.
Oh yeah, right here you got the clamp so you can adjust.
Yep,
them.
exactly.
Gotcha. It's got a full serpentine setup, and look at this. Did you notice, Steve? This
Yeah,
is
it's
a
all
one
aluminum. Yeah,
piece.
yeah,
Well, it's
piece.
one piece.
Yeah.
That's awesome. It's got AC, right? It's got power steering,
Did people say,
power
is that
brakes.
turbochargers?
Yeah.
It's amazing because the breather right here stops people because what the heck is that? I won't swear, but what the heck is
Yeah,
that?
yeah.
And they stop and explain it to them, and it all makes sense when you're done
Yeah.
because it does stop people.
Yeah. Well, they made these for also these here, the quick release at
Yep.
a racetrack, so you can get it off adjusted lifters and all that. Also, I noticed that very smart. Whoever did this, they wrapped the starter. Viewers out there, he's got a lot of heat down there. Wrap the starter, because if not, it's going to take the starter out, or you're going to sit there in the parking lot and it won't start when it gets hot.
Yeah, right down in
Yep,
here, all the way down in
starter's
here.
brand
You
new.
can
Starter's
see the
brand new.
silver
High
right
torque.
there.
You got a high
Yes.
torque starter. Wrap it up, and you should have no problem for a long time. You have a electric fan.
Yep.
That's nice. You have power brakes. No power steering, huh?
Yes, power steering.
Yeah, power
Oh,
steering.
I'm sorry.
power brakes.
I'm sorry. I'm looking down there. Oh, it's a remote. Yeah, I see
Yeah,
it. Okay. Yeah,
remote.
sorry.
Yep.
Yeah, oh, look at the air conditioning unit. Look how small that pump is. And it freezes you out of there.
Absolutely.
That's good.
Yeah.
Keeps
That's
the
good.
wipes cold. And
And
that's,
you know, this is a perfect. And we didn't talk about the transmission. It's a Tremec 5-speed.
Oh,
yes,
that's
that is
right.
correct.
And what's nice is you got a big block that probably got you 6 miles a gallon back then.
Yeah.
Now he's got something that can get better mileage with air conditioning. What do you get, about 12 on a road, 14?
I just took it my long trip. I'm probably getting 13, 14.
That's not
There
bad.
you go.
Maybe even a little bit higher than
That's
that.
not bad.
Because when I go down the highway, I'm doing 70 miles an hour and probably 2,100 RPMs, which isn't bad.
No.
Right.
My Camaro is a stock 4-speed, and I'm doing 60 at $3,000, 2,700. So
Now,
you know,
this is all stock suspension, everything other than the Cal-Trac.
Yes,
Front end
yes,
suspension,
that
everything.
is correct.
it's nice,
Yeah.
nice. And you know what? That's a perfect hot rod for today. Okay. If it was original, you wouldn't drive it.
You know what else I just noticed, Steve,
Yes.
was the way they tucked the wiring away, which really
He
cleaned it up.
cleaned
It's
it up,
in here.
yes.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Like less
Well,
traffic
if
under the
you-
hood.
Right. If you take a look at the AC as well, everything goes underneath the fender well all the way back.
See, I like that.
Oh,
It doesn't
that's right.
go up here and
Yeah,
go in there.
see
No.
right here?
Yeah, usually there's a box back in the corner.
That is correct.
And then with a big block, they have a notch in it. They have to.
Right.
With a big
Well,
block, it gets serious.
I had the original equipment here,
Okay.
but I couldn't go with it.
Yeah.
This is a lot neater.
Now, some people talk about this, a small block versus the big block and the drivability of it. Do you notice anything there with the big block, being heavier and bigger?
Oh, it's heavier and bigger, no doubt about it. But no, she runs
Handles
great.
well, runs down the
extremely
road?
well.
It goes
Uh,
good 70 miles an hour down
Not
the road?
a problem. Piece
And
of
you have
cake.
good disc brakes on the front.
Yes, I do. Actually, they're wonderful.
Who are they? GM or?
Regular stock GM
Yeah,
brakes,
yeah.
which
Wow.
kind of surprised the heck out
Is
of me.
it drum back?
Drum back?
Okay.
Drum
Yes.
back?
Wow, that's
All
great.
original
That's
again,
great.
style.
Yes.
Yeah,
Oh,
awesome.
we didn't show them an interior.
Yeah, we didn't.
Oh, let's go over here. We
yeah,
got some
let's go on this
surprises
side,
in
Drew.
here.
There we go.
Oh, we got surprises here. Over here. You don't mind?
Oh my God!
Okay,
Go right
okay,
ahead, please.
Okay. My door handles in the Camaro are the same.
Yeah.
They probably didn't want to throw away any parts.
Oh no! Hey, we'll use it on another car.
So
Yeah,
tell
yeah,
us what you got in the
Yeah,
interior there.
Yeah.
Okay, all of the interior has been redone over.
Nice.
Everything: headliner, dash, the back, the seats,
Yeah, you got
steering wheel is original.
Yeah, what is your dash there again?
Yeah.
What type?
The dash is a Dakota.
Yeah,
It's
Dakota.
beautiful.
And that's a electronic, right?
Electronic.
Electronic digital,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Yeah, they don't give them away.
No,
Yeah.
no, not at
The
all.
shifter looks just like back in the day. You had a console, but you opt to have this one.
Right, exactly. I went
I
for
like this one.
more comfort.
I like this one. You got cup holders and you
Yeah.
sit there and your arms up.
Yep, exactly.
If there's a little button in the back, you get. Now this is more of a family car. This is more where you can put some kids in the back seat. There has a little more room.
It's a little more.
If you come over here, there's a button right here, a little secret button. Only few people
Right,
know
yeah.
about. And
Yep.
you've never taken let these slam forward. Never. Do
That's
that once, and you're going to get kicked in the butt by the owner.
Yeah,
Yeah, I like how he has the seatbelts out, and
Yeah.
the little fire extinguisher.
Now you were saying, Wayne, that this is a rare interior.
Yes, it is.
And why?
Because it's red. Because
Red?
normally
they're
they're
black.
probably 80, 90% are all black interior.
Yeah.
And you probably got another, I'll say 80%, 10% white, and it's probably going to be 2 or 3% red.
Wow. Now, it wasn't uncommon, though, for the mid-'60s to the early '70s to have matching exterior and interior. Green and green.
Yeah,
I know
right, right.
Mopar
Yeah.
did a
Oh,
lot,
yes,
right?
yes,
Chevy.
yes.
So, but that
Ford.
makes this and that is the original color, red
That is
on red,
red
just
on
like
red.
we see it.
Yes.
Look at this little
Yeah.
knob here.
Another
You just
vent
flip
window.
it forward and always put your finger here, or don't ever pull it if you don't have to, because that loosens this hair up, and then your owner's going to kick you on the other side of the butt.
And you were pointing this out, Steve, again for
Yes.
a
Look
little
at
bit
that.
of style, right?
Yes,
Going
look at
into
that.
the
all
door
manual.
panels.
No remote mirror, nothing.
Right.
I love that.
Well, again, it was an SS, so I mean,
Yes.
this was a muscle car.
Wait a minute. Let's see.
Oh yeah,
I didn't. No effort. Look
I
at
love
that.
it. I love it.
You don't have to slam the door in these cars.
Well, Wayne, let's start it up and see what it
Yeah,
sounds
let's
like. I can't wait.
And no chrome around here. I love it.
This is a gorgeous
Yeah,
car.
it's gorgeous. You really. Oh, the buzzer.
Whoa!
That's a nice sound.
Listen to that.
Very nice sound. Oh, look at that.
Have them rev it up
Great.
a little bit, Steve.
Yep.
Rev it up a little bit.
Oh man,
Nice sound.
I love it. Gets me excited.
I know. All right.
Listen to that cam. It's got
I
a
know,
little
I
cam
know.
in it.
One more thing before we.
Yeah.
Again, put your key back in. Come on over
Oh
here.
yeah, yeah.
Come over here. And I just tickles me to death right here. The buzzer. Well, that thing's buzzing away.
Yeah. Yeah. You can shut it off.
Okay.
And
That's
that,
the buzzer.
Yeah, that just tells you that you left your keys in the car.
Yeah, yeah, and it's so simple.
Yeah.
Everybody disconnected it.
Yeah, Wayne here real quick, and I want to show this. And I got, is this the original design with the 6x9s?
No.
Okay, so that's custom.
That is custom.
Yeah, so just sort of cool, because we would have done this back in the day with the 6x9s, and then he sort of did a tuck and roll custom panel
Some
back there.
Jensen 6x9s back there.
Oh, I know.
Your Pioneers there.
I love it.
Your American Racing Kragers, you're done.
Buddy, another beautiful car. Wayne, we appreciate it.
Thank you.
We're running out of time here.
Guy, thank you very much for having me.
enjoyed it.
Well, I've truly enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Well, I'm Chip.
And I'm Steve.
And I'm Wayne at
This is Chip's
Chip's
Garage.
Garage.
Thank you, Wayne.
Thank you. Beautiful car.
Beautiful, buddy.
Thank you.